You're watching this India Today special with me, Nabila Jamal. Today with me, I have two powerhouse of talent. One, a cricketer, legendary cricketer, Mohinder Amarnath, who literally stormed India to victory in the World Cup of '83. And essaying his role in the movie '83 is Saqib Salim, the fantastic actor who's really shown his worth in this film. Maybe a dream come true for you, Saqib?
100%. To play living legend Mohinder Amarnath in the film, to win India the World Cup, to take that last wicket of Michael Holding will always be special to me. And I always keep saying this, that I'm just so very grateful that I'm part of this film. And I keep saying this to Jimmy sir also. Thank you, sir, for winning the World Cup, because 38 years down the line, we could make a film on it. Well, and I could be Mohinder Amarnath in it.
I'm telling you, the resemblance is so uncanny. There are people have been saying that if there's anyone that looks the most similar to a cricketer, that's Saqib with Jimmy.
Oof, thank you.
Identical.
Thank you.
Even the side walk, the side nod. I mean, come on.
I don't know, man. I'm just overwhelmed that people are catching on to the small things. You know, as actors, when you prepare, you try and incorporate everything of the character you're playing so that there is authenticity to your part. But knowing subconsciously that I don't even know if people are going to pick on the small things. So when people pick on these small things, it just really makes my heart melt.
I mean, this surely was something that you were awaiting, a big breakthrough, and I think '83 has it for you. And you've done a fantastic job. Cricket with cinema, that's most of your life is what I see and read off. You've been playing cricket forever and now acting the legend itself. Mohinder Amarnath, who joins me also. Mr. Amarnath, would you believe that Saqib could have done anything differently or anything more to essay your character in the movie?
I think probably he was the right and perfect person to do it, to be very honest. And when I met him for the first time, and you know, like he was somebody like, you know, like a 16 years old kind of a boy, was very keen, wanted to know everything about me. And I remember like when I met him for the first time in Dharamshala, where they're having a camp, and I reached there late in the evening after flight from Bombay via Delhi, and I was a little bit tired, but I went to the dining room to have a meal, and there I meet Saqib, you know, like in his tracksuit, in chappals. And he came running and hugged me, you know, like, and I started talking straight away. Wanted to know everything in 2 minutes, you know. That's the way Saqib is. And he's a lovely person. And
Saqib is trying to jump in. What, Saqib?
I'm saying
then immediately
I jumped in straight into the conversation.
You wanted to know it all in 2 minutes.
With Jimmy, sir. Yeah, I didn't know how much time I would get with him.
Okay.
I'm like, maybe sir, dinner karke chale jayenge wapas. So this is all the time I have. So
and now that said, how much time did you actually spend with Jimmy?
I was fortunate enough that I got to spend close to 3 weeks with sir. He came down to Dharamshala for the cricketing camp. We roamed around in Dharamshala. I went to his sister's house. We had lunch there. Then I got to spend a lot of time with sir in Bombay. He came down to see how I was prepping to play him, especially for the cricketing bits, because sir has a very distinct style of playing, whether it was his bowling run-up or the way he stood when he was batting, his batting stance. So I was really happy that he came down specially for me. It made me feel really special. Then when we were filming the film, I got to spend time with him in London. I got to meet his friends in London and get to know a side of his that I had not known. That he also likes to take it easy sometimes. He's always not about doing everything right. He's an easy guy. So I got to see that side of him there. So yeah, about 3 weeks is what I got.
And I think that
it felt
you're
a
trying
little
to
less
grasp
at that
every little characteristic of Jimmy. You've got it bang on, and that's all we could say. Jimmy, you are an all-rounder. It's not easy for an actor to essay a role. The man has to be thorough in cricket as well as acting for him to actually grab your persona identically. What kind of tricks or tips did you give Saqib through that training process? We believe that they trained for close to 10 months in cricket. Thankfully, Saqib has knowledge on cricket, but nonetheless, what kind of tips or tricks that was given?
No, I think when I met him, because I wanted him to play cricket or act or walk like me or to talk like me also at the same time. And he's a very observant kind of a person. He notices everything and he picks up very fast. And so he wanted to be with me all the time. And I went to the ground and met him and met the other stars also. You know, they're all beautiful person and fantastic people. I think everybody has played his part brilliantly in the movie.
Yeah.
And Saqib, you know, like because he was playing my part. So like there was some technical thing as far as batting was concerned and the run-up was concerned and the action. It's not easy actually when you try to copy somebody. And but he wanted to be perfect. And I was very glad in a way that I have a guy who's playing my part and he looks like me and who plays cricket very well. I think that was a bonus for him. Of course, he's a fantastic actor and I'm sure बुलंदियों पे उनकी जो है career जाएगा because he's a brilliant actor. And because here that the role was a little bit different. Apart from acting, I think he had to play cricket. And he had to play it perfectly. He had to master those strokes perfectly. Yeah. And he worked very hard.
What was it? I mean, don't be so nice. I know that you've been a taskmaster on sets as well. You've been constantly guiding him and unsparing. We heard you were unsparing. Is that right, Saqib?
No, so Sir has a very nice way of telling you you're not doing it right. He just looks at you and smiles. He's like, "ऐसे नहीं करता था." You just smile about everything.
So I'm so like, easily.
I remember we were training, Nabila. We were training with Balwinder Singh Sandhu, another legend who was also part of the 83 team, and he's also our coach. And for about 2 months, I was training with him. And then 2 months later, Jimmy sir came down to Bombay, and we were practicing. So I was very nervous as to show him as to how I had prepped in those 2 months. And I tried to show him his bowling run-up and action. And he stopped me and he smiled and he's like, ऐसे नहीं करता था मैं. I'm like, अरे damn, ये 2 महीने से मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ. Ballu sir, क्या कर रहे हो? And Ballu sir is his junior in cricket.
Right.
So he just sheepishly looked like, I don't know, Jimmy जो बोलेंगे वही होगा. So again I had to start from scratch. But I'm just glad I got to spend this time with
No,
you.
but Saqib, you've been playing cricket for the longest time in your life and you've always wanted to play for India, but that didn't happen. Maybe that's become reality through your film. But what are your strengths? We know Jimmy is an all-rounder. What were your strengths? What did you have to unlearn and relearn?
I'll be very honest. When I used to play cricket, I was a wicket-keeper batsman. I had never bowled in my life. And so you very rightly said that there was a lot of unlearning for me to do because I played cricket for about 20 years of my life. Since I remember I had a particular style of playing, but here I had to play the legend himself, Mohinder Amarnath, who had a very different technique, whether it came to his bowling or batting. So I had to unlearn all that I knew and start from scratch. Because when I joined the film, I thought, "Arey, cricket khelna hai, maine to life bhar khela hai, it'll be easy for me."
Yeah.
But then I had to play it like him, yaar, which isn't easy at all. So a lot of unlearning. And but what helped me a lot was watching his videos. I kept watching them day in and day out and we had all of us had gotten into a frame of mind where we were subconsciously training for the film 24 hours.
Yeah.
We would wake up to videos, we would wake up to conversations about the 83 World Cup, and slowly and steadily how the film progressed, we started to see characters in all the other actors. I could see a Kapil Dev in Ranveer Singh, I could see a Yashpal Sharma in Jatin Sarna, a Roger Binney in Nishan Dahiya, and they could see a Jimmy Amarnath in me.
Yeah.
So it was the process that we were put through by Kabir Khan. We were, like you said, we trained for about 10 months. So from where we started to where we got, it's been a beautiful journey for me. One of the most fulfilling experiences as an actor. And you very rightly said the two most important things in my life, cricket and films, and I got to merge both of them. And
this is certainly a lucky platform. Saqib, did you run after it? Did you try to audition for the role of Jimmy itself, or did you have someone else in mind? Who did you want to be in the film, and who did you? I mean, we know you finally got cast as Jimmy.
I only wanted to be Mohinder Amarnath
from the start.
I only wanted to be Mohinder Amarnath. Nobody else. I'll tell you why. because I remember reading in the newspaper when the film was announced that Ranveer Singh to play Kapil Dev in '83 movie to be directed by Kabir Khan. The cricketer in me got really happy that this was a story that needed to be told, and it was finally being told by Kabir Khan, one of my favorite directors. So I was very happy as a cricket fan. I remember keeping the newspaper aside and suddenly thinking to myself, okay, this is the '83 World Cup. They're making a film on it. But who's playing Jimmy Amarnath? He was the match in the semi-finals and in the finals, and he played that astonishing knock of 80 in the second round game with West Indies. I knew my facts. I knew my cricketing stats. So I remember reaching out to Kabir Khan. I messaged him, sir, I want to come meet you for coffee. And I went and met him and just poured my whole out, told him all the stats of the 1983 World Cup. And I said, sir, please let me play Jimmy Amarnath. I'd put my heart,
You
soul,
literally
my life
requested and
into
pleaded
it.
that you wanted to play Jimmy, huh?
And only Jimmy Amarnath. Not saying that the other cricketers aren't good, but I also realized that I'm a particular way. I have a particular body type. And I knew for a fact.
And what got you, what landed you that role? At that moment when you met Kabir Khan in audition, what landed you the role?
I don't know what Kabir Khan saw in me. Like you said, I auditioned for it. First, it was about just getting the dialect and the body language right with the audition, which after watching several videos of his, I tried to crack. Kabir Khan liked it. Then he asked me if I played cricket. So I tried to undersell myself, saying, हाँ sir, थोड़ा गली में कभी खेला है, अच्छा खेलता हूँ, ठीक ठाक. Because I hadn't played cricket for the last 2-3 years.
Right.
I didn't want to oversell myself, and then he'd be like, "Arey, you don't know how to play." And I remember going to the cricket ground the very next day where I met Balwinder Singh Sandhu for the first time. And I had to show him how I bat. And God has been very kind. I'll be very honest. I remember padding up, wearing my gloves, going to bat, and I hadn't held a bat in the last 3-4 years, right? So the first ball that was bowled to me, I think I hit the best shot I've ever hit in my life.
Wow.
And Ballu sir looked at me. He's like, "Tu cricketer hai? You played cricket before?" I'm like, "Haan sir, thoda khela hai." I didn't want to say it out upfront. I was fearing that I would underperform. And that's when Kabir Khan said, "Let's do this here." And I don't know what he saw in me. Maybe it
What
was
he
my
saw
desire
is
to play
certainly
Mohinder
what's
Amarnath.
visible on screens today. What portrayal of Jimmy? It can't be more perfect. That's what we should say. Jimmy, if I may call you that.
Just being very sweet.
Jimmy, you know, after '83 World Cup, you know, it's really changed and evolved the life of a cricketer in India. I mean, we've got global recognition and how post the '83 World Cup. How do you feel that it's really changed life of a budding cricketer today in the country and also the Team India today? They've been received wholeheartedly all over the world, and we could totally say that the start was '83.
No, I'm glad that this movie is out, and I think all credit goes to Kabir Khan and his team, to be very honest. And I think all actors have played their part brilliantly. And actually, I didn't get the question fully because I think there's some audio issue over here. But what I assume that you're asking about '83, what impact it made on Indian cricket, if I'm correct.
Yeah.
And I think, I think it was the beginning of big thing to come for the future for Indian cricket. And so I think when we were playing, we, of course, there were not huge money involved in those days and all that. But I think it doesn't matter whether there's money or no money. Once you're on the field, you want to give your best performance. And you want to win. You want to play as a team. And, you want to leave some legacy behind. And this team, I think what was great about '83 team, I think we gelled together. And when we were playing, we would play it hard. But when we would party it hard.
Yeah. Post the '83 victory, in fact, we're seeing Indian cricketers now, their lives have completely changed, all thanks to your team. That really set the pedestal for them.
No, money is not everything in life. You know, my mother used to say, "Beta khani to doi roti hai na." What difference it makes. I think when you're playing with passion. Whether it was yesterday, it was in our time, or even today, I think all cricketers even today play with passion. See, money comes with time. And I'm glad in a way that they are making money and all that thing, because people are watching them. The money is available. So that's why they're getting money. And but I think all cricketers' dream is to represent the country. This is what my dream was when I was a kid. I wanted to play and represent the country. And my dream was to win a World Cup for India. In those, it was a huge thing because we were not really great in one-day cricket. So why people remember 83 for a couple of reasons. One, we were underdogs. Second, nobody expected us to do well. You know, it's something like today, if India wins a football World Cup, you can imagine what would happen.
All right. Well, this was certainly total team effort. And you said it was a dream come true for you to win the World Cup. It was dream come true for Saqib to essay your role. Clearly, both of you all have achieved success, managed to live your dream in this life. And that's for very few who get lucky to do that. Thank you very much, Amarnath, for joining us, the legendary cricketer, and of course Saqib Salim, who's managed to leave quite a lasting impression with his perfect essay portrayal of Jimmy on the screens of 83. Thank you very much, both of you. All the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, Nabila.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.